What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana. Currently we're sitting at about $20. We're up 1.7 on the day. Seeing market cap was 7.82 billion. 24-hour volume 281 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we're looking at a leading diagonal for the wave one. Now it's possible, there's two possibilities here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then correction down in a 2, or there is a possibility that this is the 3 right here. We basically wick down in a 4, and now you're pushing up in the wave 5. If we zoom in on the 1 hour time frame, what you're looking for with an ending diagonal is an ABC. So you can see right here, wave A, wave B, and then looks like potentially ending diagonal for this small wave C, and then pushing up in the wave 5. So that's what I'm looking for. We could push a little bit higher here, signaled with this blue line in the wave 5, if that's the wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave count. I do think a rejection is coming soon. We do have quite a bit of support and resistance in this range at about 20.42. So in between about 20.42 and I would say about 21.41 would be a rejection zone for the 5, and starting to pull back in a wave 2. If we get rejected here, your pullback zone is in between $14.23 and $16. It's looking pretty good on the daily. We're back above the 20 and the 55 EMA. So if we get rejected here, we come up, we get rejected, and we roll over. If we can hold those EMAs, hold the bullish cross on the daily, that would be a strong sign of strength for the price of Solana. We may break a little bit lower below the EMAs, find support in the wave 2 pullback zone. But if we can bounce, let's say we get rejected at our current price, so the 50% level is at $16. But if we can bounce from the wave 2 pullback zone, then what will happen is the EMAs will come underneath, we'll print the bullish cross, and we'll be good to go for continuation. That's what I think is likely for Solana. If I zoom out a little bit on the daily chart, what I'm looking at is a wave 1 to the upside, which is signaled here in red, WXY into a 2, and now we're just starting the impulse of the wave 3. So what we're looking for is wave 1 to the upside, pull back, 2, push up, 3, 4, 5, and that will complete the wave 1 of the larger wave 3 with a target of about $89, 1.618 extension. All right, gang, that's it for Solana. If you got value, smash that like button. We just locked in juicy gains on our Bitcoin trade. We're in 3 other trades. My signals are $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget, up to 8K in bonuses. After you make your first deposit, email me or sign up email, and you will receive a free bonus. That's exclusive for those who make their first deposit. As I mentioned, it's $10 a month for my signals analysis. We're still in 3 trades, locked in gains on our Bitcoin trade. Crypto news, member profits, Hardo all plays Forex signals and analysis all together for the price of a Big Mac meal with a drink, and you'll get much more value out of the Discord, in my opinion. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.